In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any 3DM file to GLB format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type 3 decimeters to GLB MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the 3DM to GLB converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your 3DM file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted GLB file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted 3DM to GLB in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.